J.R. Fisher here, founder of Survival Cave Food. I want to talk to you today about our canned pork. There's just pork and a trace amount of salt. And it comes in two different size cans here. You're going to have a 14.5, just like this. This is going to provide you with 5 servings. Then you're going to have a 28 ounce that looks like this. This is going to provide you with 9 servings. Now, there's a lot of stuff you can do with these canned meats because they're already cooked and they're ready to eat. You can transform our canned pork into culinary masterpieces in minutes with simple yet delicious recipes. Check out the versatility of our canned pork. With these creative ideas, you could whip up savory pork fried rice, perfect for quick and satisfying meal. Create a rich, smoky pork barbecue sandwich, or prepare pork and beans and a Mexican-inspired pork and cheese tacos. Now, each of these dishes begins with our all-natural, preservative-free canned pork. It's delicious. It's going to promise you some tasty, wholesome meals. I can assure you of that. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our office and look at our frequently asked questions section. Add some of these to your cart today and you're going to be glad you did. It's just awesome.